Ever wondered why you suddenly start hiccuping and just can't stop? It's actually a pretty weird reflex happening inside your body. It all starts with your diaphragm, that big muscle right under your lungs that helps you breathe. When something irritates the nerves connected to it, like eating too fast, chugging a fizzy drink, or even feeling super excited or stressed, your diaphragm freaks out a little. It spasms, pulling down suddenly and forcing you to suck in a quick burst of air. But here's the funny part. As that air rushes in, it slams into your vocal cords, making them snap shut. And that's what creates the classic hic sound. So next time you get the hiccups, you'll know it's just your diaphragm having a mini involuntary party. If you found this interesting, hit that subscribe button for more cool facts.